Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Welcome to our video, where we dive into the fascinating world of baking soda, a common household item many of us have in our kitchens. Today, we'll explore baking soda's potential dangers, side effects, and benefits, particularly for older adults. Our bodies undergo various changes as we age, so understanding how everyday substances like baking soda can impact our health is crucial. We'll discuss its uses, from heartburn relief to its role in maintaining pH balance, while also highlighting the risks associated with excessive consumption. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how baking soda can be both a friend and a foe for older adults. Understanding what baking soda is and its myriad uses can help you appreciate this simple yet powerful ingredient that has stood the test of time in our daily lives. Benefits of baking soda. Baking soda offers several potential health benefits, particularly for older adults seeking natural remedies. One of its primary advantages is its ability to neutralize stomach acid, relieve heartburn, and aid digestion. This can be especially helpful for seniors who may experience digestive issues more frequently. Additionally, baking soda is a popular choice for oral health. It can help whiten teeth and freshen breath, making it a valuable addition to daily dental care routines. Furthermore, some studies suggest that baking soda may alleviate symptoms of certain conditions, such as arthritis, by reducing inflammation and pain. Its alkaline properties can help balance the body's pH levels, promoting overall wellness. While baking soda is not a cure-all, understanding its potential benefits can empower older adults to incorporate this simple ingredient into their health regimen, enhancing their quality of life in a natural and accessible way. Dangers of baking soda. While baking soda has benefits, excessive consumption can pose significant health risks, especially for older adults. One of the primary concerns is its high sodium content, which can lead to increased blood pressure and elevate the risk of cardiovascular issues. For those already managing hypertension, this can be particularly dangerous. Additionally, the overconsumption of baking soda may result in metabolic alkalosis, a condition where the body becomes too alkaline, leading to symptoms such as muscle twitching, hand tremors, and confusion. This imbalance can be especially problematic for seniors, whose bodies may already be more sensitive to changes in pH levels. Furthermore, baking soda can interact with various medications that older adults may be taking, including certain diuretics and heart medications, potentially diminishing their effectiveness or causing adverse effects. It's crucial to use baking soda in moderation and consult a healthcare professional to ensure safety and well-being. Side effects of baking soda. While baking soda can offer various health benefits, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects, especially for older adults. Common side effects include gastrointestinal discomfort, such as bloating, gas, and stomach cramps, which can occur when baking soda is consumed in excess. These symptoms can be exceptionally bothersome for seniors, who may already experience digestive issues. Moderation is key when using baking soda, and it's crucial to consult with healthcare providers before incorporating it into a health regimen. This is especially important for individuals with pre-existing health conditions, such as kidney disease or heart problems, as baking soda can exacerbate specific issues.